Hello everyone, welcome to my class Achievers Needlecraft on gift box making. Here are the materials requested. These are straw board, this is sugar paper, we're using a blue color, this is my gum, this is masking tape, scissors, ruler, brush, cutter, ribbon, and I'm using a pen. So to take measurements, I'll show you how to take the measurements with this one. This is the heights. When you see heights, this is the heights up like this. The length is going this way here. The width, this. I'll also use a rectangular box to show you. This is the length, the long part is the length. This is the width, and this is the heights this way. So let's get started. I'm starting with taking measurement. We'll be making a square box. Size height will be 2 inches, length 6 inches, width 6 inches. That is a square box. So this is how to take your measurements. Pick your ruler, place it at the edge of this place. This is 1 inch. This is 2 inches. So you mark like this. Mark it to be visible. After that, you take the ruler to the point where you marked before. Mark your 6 inches, which is either the length or the width. You take your ruler again, place it here, mark another 2 inches. After doing this way, you turn it to get the width. You turn it like this, and then you mark. From here, you mark another 2 inches, which is here. Mark another 6 inches. Assuming our width is 8 inches, you mark 8 inches. But because it's 6, that's why we're marking 6 inches. You mark another 2 inches here. Come to this side. Do the same thing. Mark 2, 6, and 2. After which you connect with your ruler. So see, from this line to this line, just draw a straight line to connect them together like this. Draw from here also to connect this together like this. Draw from here to connect this together like this. After that, you connect to this other side. You connect it this way again. Connect here. Connect here. Make sure your line is straight. Connect it. So what the surface we are working with will now be from here to this point. This one will cut it off. All these places will cut them off. You use your scissor or use your cutter. But for this strong straw board, you use your scissors. Follow the line. Make sure you follow the line. Follow the line to cut it off. When you are done, you cut out here, cut out here, cut out here, and cut out here. So I will cut it. You will see what I mean. From here, you cut. When you finish, you have something like a cross. That's when you know you got it. You cut it out this way. Cut it out this way. All right, we are done with the cutting. So you must have something like this. If you have something like this, means you got it well, right? So the next thing we'll do is we'll have to mark it this way. Use our cutter. Don't use a sharp edge. This is a sharp edge. Don't use a sharp edge. Use this dull one. Make a mark like this. Just follow this line. make a mark on all of them. Make a mark. Okay, we call it arching. We are done arching it. This will enable it to fold this way, fold this way, fold this way, and fold this way. So when we are done doing it, we can't leave the color this way. That is the essence of our sugar paper. So we'll use sugar paper to cover the inside, but the inside I'll use white to cover it. Then I will use white to cover the inside, then use this blue to do the box itself. So what the first thing you will do is to apply gum. Apply gum. When you apply the gum, you allow it to dry for some time. So just pour a little gum, use your brush to stick it around. Okay, before we proceed, let me show you how you can cut out the inside. How to cut out the inside. Take the sugar paper you want to use, place this on top of it, then carry your pen or pencil, whatever, and mark around like this. From here, just trace it this way, trace it. No. Okay, when you finish drawing, this is what you have. So you trace from the lines and cut it out. Cut it. You can use cutter to do this. You can use your cutter. I'm going to show you how to use cutter, so that when you're using cutter, you place your ruler, take the sharp edge, use your cutter. For this particular one, cutter is better. Use your cutter and cut it out. Cut it out.
Okay.
This is how cutter works. So when you're done, it comes out on its own like this. This didn't cut very well. Okay, we are back. So this place, so we are done. I need to cover it now. Place it carefully. Place it carefully. Make sure it fits like this. Then you gum. You gum it. Once you are gumming, make sure you fold it so that you don't atom off. You know that the thing is straightened and smooth. Gum it well. Use your hand to press it down. Here it is supposed to give you something like this. Okay, so the next thing to do is make use of your masking tape. I'll show you how to use your masking tape. Cut it out like this. Hold it. Use masking tape to hold it this way. Hold it like this. Okay, we are done covering the sides with masking tape. So this is how it is. The box is almost ready. The next step is to cover the outer with our desired color, which is blue. So I'll just show you how to take accurate measurements. So after placing it here, you make sure that each side covers the body and has a space. So the first thing you will do is to use your pen or pencil, mark round the box, mark round the box like this, go round, and then you remove the box. So you have something like this. This is the base, and we know that this height, we made use of 2 inches for the height. We remember our height is 2 inches, and for this, for us to cover this box, we need to mark something that is more than 2 inches so that we can fold it inside. I will explain. So from this side, we'll mark 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. Don't mind my rule, this place is clean, but I can see it. So this is 2.5 inches here. I'll mark it. I'll mark 2.5 inches here. I'll mark 2.5 inches here. And here also 2.5 inches. So after marking it, what I will do is just to draw a straight line from this line I marked. Draw a straight line like this. Draw a straight line, connect it to this one, connect it here, another straight line. Make sure it is straight like this. Connect the whole sides. Okay, after connecting the lines, we'll have something like this. So I have to cut out all the lines. We need to have only this. So you use your scissors or use your cutter, but now I want to use scissors to do it. Right, I've cut it out. See what we'll have. This is it. So I'll apply gum here at the base of the paper where this thing will sit. So let's start. Okay, I've applied my gum, allowed it for some time. Then I'll place this on it like this. Make sure it sits on the line so that one will not be bigger. Press it down. You can turn it this way and use your hand to press it down. Like so.
Go.
Okay, this is dried now, so we'll have to fold this one up. But before we start, you have to do something like this, and like this. You're getting me? So that you have this line. You'll get this line because we are going to be cutting it out. So you do it for all of them. You do it for all of them to get a line like this. After getting the line, you can use your cutter or scissors to open it up like this. You can open it up this way, open this side up also. So you have something like this. You have something like this. Then after doing that, this one that is remaining, you won't cut it off fully. You have to see where this line is, this particular one. You won't have to come and cut it from here so that any of these things will not show. So you have to leave little paper there, like this, so that when you fold it, it will come in this way. So if this one covers it, nothing will show. It's only the paper you'll see. Can you see it? This is how it works. Come to this side, do the same thing. Open up this one, open it up like this, open here up, this way. Then you come here, don't cut everything out, so remain small, that can go inside. This is where you need to be very careful so that your work will be neat. Cut it like this way also. So this is what we'll have. This will go inside like this, and this will go inside this way. That's how it will look. After folding this one this way, you come to this other side, do the same thing, fold it in this way, and then at the end you take this one, cover them up. So the next thing I will do is to apply gum. Apply gum all over it, apply gum all over it, and then I will stick it so that you will see.
Start.
Okay, I put the gum on this one, and I've gummed it this way. You can see, and this one too. So you just raise it up carefully. Use your hand to press it down so it to be smooth. Press it to be smooth. Fold it this way carefully. And this is what you will have. Make sure the gum is enough so that it will hold it well. This is what you will have. So the next thing is just take this up and take this up. Okay,
Start.
yeah, beautiful people, as you can see, I'm done covering the box and it's looking beautiful already. So this is it. The next thing we'll do now is just to fold it inside. That's all. So for you to fold it inside, all you need to do is just to open up here to this point, open here. Just see what I'm talking about here. Just hatch it a little with your scissors. Don't mind my scissors. So like this, just little here. It's open it up all. Here, open it up. So what I do. So after opening it up, you can see all. So all you need to do is just to apply gum at the edges like this. Just apply gum at the edges. Apply gum. So after applying the gum, you fold it in. Fold it. Take it one at a time, one after the other. Pick this carefully. You know, open this up very well. Just carefully pick this. Sorry. So carefully fold it inside like this. Fold it inside like this. Fold all inside, all of them inside. all inside. You need to apply more gum. Okay, our box is ready. Ready and beautiful. You can see it. Wow, isn't this beautiful? So this is the box, and then the same process is what you will need to make the cover. The same process is what you need to make the cover. So if you're making the next one, all you need to do is the same measurement. Just do something like for this one we did 2 by 6 by 6. For the cover, what we'll do is these two will reduce it because we don't want the length to be the same. So the length should be somewhere. The cover should be somewhere here, just to cover it. So we can do half, 0.5 by, but the body too shouldn't be exactly this, so that to be able to cover. So we'll have to give little allowance to the body. So the body will be something like 6.3 by 6.3. So if you take these measurements to do follow the same step we use in getting this one with these measurements, it will give you the cover. So I will do the cover and then cover it so that you will see. Thank you for this class, and after this class I will teach you another one. Thank you. Okay, for clarity's sake, let me just take the measurement for the cover and I'll produce it and cover it. Like I said earlier, the cover we're making use of 0.5 by 6.3 by 6.3. So this is 0.5 here. Place your ruler at the edge. Like I said before, mark 0. We are not getting up to 1, so this is half, 0.5. Mark it to be visible. Place your ruler here. Get your 6.3. This is 6. So around here will be 6.3. Mine, this place is cleaned up, but I know it's 6.3. Place your ruler again and mark 0.5. I hope with this you will know how to take accurate measurements. Do the same thing this way. Mark 0.5, 6.3 and 0.5. When you're done doing that, you turn it like this way. Take the same measurements, 0.5, 6.3, 0.5, 0.5, 6.3, 0.5. It's as simple as that. Then you connect. I've taught you how to connect before. Connect with your ruler like this. Let the lines be the same. See the dots here, the line here, and another line here. So you connect it this way. Connect this one also like this. That is it. Connect this one too like this. Here. Turn this way and connect this way also. Connect this so connect this. So this and connect here. So after connecting it, we'll have to cut. What we're making use of now is this place. Just cut it out like I told you before with your scissors. Cut it out. You cut it out like this. Then this one, you cut this one from here. This one is excess. All we need is from here to here. So you cut out this one. Cut it out. Remember, we'll have to cut here, 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 and here to give us something like a cross. Here like this. Cut off. Cut off. Remember our hatching with a side that is not sharp. Just hatch. Once you learn how to take your proper measurements, and how to take measurements is dependent on what you are putting inside the box. So you can measure the item you're putting to give you idea of the size of box you will make. So you hatch it. I think with this cover measurements, you'll be able to take your proper measurements and then measure it out with your straw board. So this is how the cover is supposed to look like this, like this, and this. This is how they cover. So with this, you can now just cover the inside and the outside. That's all. Yay! Here is the cover. We are done with the cover. See the box, and this is the cover. Here it fits so well. Can you see it? Looks beautiful. So what I will be teaching now is how to put your ribbon to it. I'll be using a white ribbon like this. This is the ribbon I will use. So what I will do is I will apply gum here and apply gum on this other one here like this.
Start.
Okay, this is how to apply the gum. You apply it this way. So after applying the gum, the next thing to do is, depending on how you can decide to place the ribbon this way or this way or this way, anyhow. For me, I want it this way, tied in the middle. So you will come here, go to the back, place it here like this, come here and gum it. Pick this one also, go to this one too, you come here, keep it this way, press it down to this point. You allow it to dry. Once it dries, you can come here and make a bow. You can use a bigger ribbon. This one is tiny because the box is small. So if the box is bigger, use a bigger bow, a bigger ribbon, and make the bow like this. Any style you want. You can also buy a ready-made bow and attach it. Anyhow you want to do it is your choice. So you can do something like this. Do it something like this. and you're good to go. You are good to go. See how it looks. Then the box here, you take this one to it and cover. Wow, this is beautiful. So our box is ready. You can open it. You can do it anyhow you want. You can tie it any pattern you want. That is your gift box. So beautiful and amazing. See you in the next class. I'll be teaching you another pattern of gift box. Thank you for watching.